Here comes your pre-market summary for Thursday, July 13th. Futures holding nicely in positive territory here ahead of more inflation data to come this morning. To kick things off as we come on at 8:30, we'll get June PPI this morning instead of CPI that we got yesterday. So this is producer price index. If you're seeing this for the first time, not as significant for the overall market as consumer price index that we got yesterday, but we are expecting a 0.4% increase versus 1.1 that came last month. 0.2 on the month over month. We'll also get initial jobless claims, 250,000 coming off that non-farm payrolls number last week. 250,000 would be a slight uptick over what happened a week ago. Also, some oil-related data coming out at 8:30 this morning. We'll keep an eye on crude futures. Continuing claims set to be 1.7 million. A few things of note in the pre-market here. Overall, I mean, some inflation relief continuing this rally that we saw yesterday off that better than expected CPI print. If we get better than expected PPI, expect that to continue. Individually, Meta shares to the upside once again this morning. 3 days in a row here for Meta. Nice move yesterday, was among the strongest of the big tech names, back to the upside after TD Cowen upgrades to outperform with a $345 price target for Meta. Delta, another one coming off a better than expected earnings report. They pointed to higher demand to come. It is struggling here with $50 in the pre-market, but Q2 results right across the board better than expected. CVNA, yesterday's huge mover, CVNA, not CNVA, downside in a big way this morning to the tune of about 6%. JP Morgan with a downgrade, $10 price target on Carvana coming from JP Morgan today. All of the Chinese ADRs are higher. Once again, more support or signals of more support coming from Chinese officials overnight. So another bump to the upside. These had a pretty good day yesterday. That's Alibaba, obviously. TTD, not one we talk about very often. This is an online advertising company. The trade desk going into the NASDAQ 100. So a nice look here to start this morning for the trade desk. Disney also higher pre-market as well. Bob Iger saying he'll stay on as CEO until 2026. That's 2 years more than he originally said. If you haven't done so yet, make sure you grab the watch list, guys. QR code bottom right corner will get you there. PPI again, 8:30. We'll see you then on TraderTV.Live.